Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I guess I'm doing another tutorial. I already showed how to make a meme. Might do a more in-depth tutorial on that later. Sorry if you can't quite understand me, it's a little weird, I know. And sorry if I keep glancing off screen, but anyways, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on shading today. Basically, I'm gonna be showing you some shading I did, and also gonna show you a different one. So let's start on that now, okay? So I'm just gonna pause and I'll meet you back in the next section. Okay, sorry if it kind of went on and off of it. I'm still trying to get used to this because it didn't really indicate anything. And I know the screen is weird, so I'm getting over here now. Anyways, as you can probably see, that recorded, okay. So as you can probably see here, there's a bit of shading going on, like back here, at the ears, and over here. So now you're probably curious how I did this. Anyways, I'm going to be showing you that today. So the first important thing, and the main thing, is, now before I get into any details of my personal techniques, I like to think, where is the light coming from? So in this case, the light is coming from here. I put the light source there. So then, as you can see, well, if the light is coming from there, the shadows would go that way. Got it dark. The shadows go this way. See here, the shadows still going that way. Shadows are all on that side. You don't see very many shadows on this side over here, even if the thing is in front. See, you don't see a shadow there. You don't see much of a shadow there either, but you do see one back here. That's because the light is over here. There's no light here to cast much of a shadow because this is overpowering. Now, you do see a bit of shading on the ears there, but that's because they're behind. There are a few times when it gets a little awkward, but that's my main tip on shading. And then also another little thing, I tend to do shading, see if I can find an example. Shading for me, I tend to do it 5 less than the base color, and then outlines 10 less. There are a couple exceptions if it's not very visible, but it's my main thing. Also, yes, these are my OCs. This is not my line art. Before anyone flags me, this is not mine. This is from a coloring contest, okay? Anyways, that is what I want to show you. And, yeah, basically that's all I was showing you. And I hope you thought that was a good tutorial. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. And bye. So yeah, that was I hope you enjoyed that. Again, ask any questions in the comments. Tell me if you're here from scratch. And maybe suggest my next tutorial or next video. I don't know. Bye.